Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essentials so nothing blocks the change. Make sure the Yono app is updated and you have the registered mobile and customer ID ready. Once done, open Yono and authenticate with your current MPIN or fingerprint. This proves it is you. Tap the profile or menu icon, then choose Security or Change Password. You begin immediately because a verified session is required. Otherwise, the app will force an OTP flow and delay the process. Once you reach the password screen, complete the OTP verification to confirm ownership. This protects your account. Then enter the current password or MPIN when prompted so the app validates your session. Now type the new password, making sure it meets rules. Minimum length, a mix of uppercase, lowercase, digits, and a special character for strength. Confirm it exactly. Mismatches reject the change. Make sure not to reuse recent passwords, because banks block repeats for security. After confirming the new password, tap Save or Update and wait for confirmation. The app should acknowledge the change. Log out and log back in to verify the new password works everywhere. Make sure you update any password managers or other devices where you saved the old credentials. If something goes wrong, most commonly OTP not arriving, check Do Not Disturb, signal strength, and registered mobile number. If unresolved, call SBI customer care or visit a branch to reset securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.